Hey guys, so today is Thursday, January 11, 2024. Tinawagan na ako ni Manong sa talyer. Sabi niya, ready na daw yung kotse. And tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, anong problema ng kotse? Diba, sabi niya, yung kinabit ko daw na fuse box, hindi raw maganda. Binalik niya yung dati, tapos may pinalitan daw siyang fuse na nasunog. And then sabi ko, bakit nasunog? Yun yung importante, di ba? Bakit nagtitrip? Sabi niya, baka daw yung ground hindi maganda. I don't know. So medyo doon duda ako. Kasi ang kinakatakot ko kasi, baka maulit na naman. Sabi ko sa niya, I don't wanna be stranded or yung anak ko may stranded. No? Dapat ma-figure out niya kung saan galing yung short. May short eh. Sabi niya, baka nung nagpalit ka ng ng starter, pwede. Kaso wala namang ganong doon yung starter eh. Wala namang wiring yun eh. Plug and play lang yun eh. Anyway, so sabi ko $500 daw. Okay, so iniwan namin yan nung Monday, ngayon Thursday. So at least ginawa niya agad. And if you think about it, $500, at least meron kaming tumatakbong kotse, hindi namin kailangan bumili ng isa pa. Okay na din yon, as long as hindi mauulit. Kaya tatanungin ko siya kung may warranty yung ginawa niya. Tara, pick upin natin. Okay, almost there. Taller mecánico. Here we go. Where's the car? Where's the car? Where's the car? Where did he park? Yeah, okay, that's the car. Here. Okay.
Don't park behind it.
Huh?
Don't park behind it.
Okay, let's get the car. Where is Manong? Senor, where's your boss?
I don't think that's hidden. That's how they show. I don't think that's that trip the anti-lag. So this one here.
That, okay. That's the ignition, right?
Uh-huh. This is the ignition.
Yeah.
The ignition to the body control module,
Okay.
and then that one there, we put the
The
original
original,
one.
okay.
And then the body control module, it says the one that was reprogrammed. So, and
But
then
you checked it with your code reader?
Oh,
No
yeah,
more errors?
We always do that, yeah.
Okay. Alright. Okay, moving through. That's it. Put it into park, okay. Let's check if there's any lights. Okay, no lights running. Okay, let's go home. Yeah, wait for me at the driveway. Okay, let's go. Alright, this is the car. Okay, may share lang ako, no? Ako nagturo mag-drive dyan sa anak ko eh. Dalawa sila, yung panganay, tigas ng ulo, gusto mag-driving school. Sabi ko, ganito lang ituturo sa'yo, ganyan. So, in-enroll namin sa driving school. That was what? 3 years ago? Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin siya marunong mag-drive. So ito ako nagturo dito sa pangalawa, yan kay JM. Dumating yung point na umiiyak yan. Tinawagan niya yung misis ko. Sabi niya sa misis ko, if you can teach me how to drive, I don't like daddy teaching me. So halos sumuko sa akin yan kasi sinisigawan ko daw siya. Sabi ko, ba't hindi kita sisigaw? Why won't I shout? We almost hit a car. Sabi ko, mababangga na tayo, hindi pa ako sisigaw. Diba? And then, ang nangyari, yan nga, I'm surprised na ang galing niya na mag-drive. To the point, yung mga kaibigan niya, sabi niya one time, sinabihan daw siya na napakaingat daw niya mag-drive. So sa kanila magkakaibigan siya raw pinakamaingat mag-drive. Sabi ko, see? Diba? Natuto ka, that's how you learn. Kung binaby kita nun, hindi ka matututo mag-drive. Yan. Nagugulat pa rin ako eh. Sabi ko, kayo mag-drive. Pag nalaman ko kasi siya nagpunta, malayo na yung pinuntahan niya. Nasa likod natin siya. Okay guys, dito tayo sa bahay. Magro-rotate tayo ng tires. Never ko pa itong nirotate mula nung binili namin noong 2020. So yung gulong niya, Michelin tires to, kaya tibay. Pero medyo pudpud na. Yung harap, yung likod, makapal pa. So yan, rotate tayo. Tapos bumili ako ng 4 na rims. Naghanap ako sa Facebook Marketplace. So 4 na rims. Ite-test fit natin kung sukat. Tinanong ko siya yung size nito nung time na yun. Sabi niya parehas daw. So I don't know, let's test it. Kasi ito size 16, yan size 17. Ayoko ng forma. Gusto ko mas makapal yung rubber, lalo na anak ko nagda-drive. Ang nipis kasi ng gulong, di ba? So gusto ko mas makapal. So tingnan natin, hopefully kasya. Bili ko dito 4, 80, tinawaran ko 60, binigay. Basta kunin ko daw agad. So sige, pag kumasya to, order na ako ng gulong para dito and install natin next time. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Hey. Come here, sit down. Let's watch me. Okay. Sit down. Sit. The breaker bar for this. Okay. Sit down. Okay. Stop it. This. Sit down. Stop around. Swap. Right now, go anywhere. Okay, go. Sit down. Okay, sit. It's okay. Too small. Sit. No barking. No barking, great. Sit down. Sit. 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 Sit down. Okay, want to do it? Okay. Replace this. This trick. Come here, babe. Don't go later. Okay, babe. Come on, babe. Yes. 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 Perfect. How about new center caps also? $60. Make sure you put stopper back. Do fast. That's not nice. Great, how are you? Great. Sit down. I'm on the right side. You want to know the right side? You're back there, there you go. Out. If I can, we're down this side. Ako, nilagay ko pa yung mga panels dito, ano, and ni-refill ko yung coolant kasi nag-drain yan nung nagpalit ako ng ano ng starter, yun, bago yung starter. Anyway, parang na-figure out ko na bakit ako nagka-problema sa electrical. Kita nyo yung fog light, pundido yung kabila, yung sa driver side. Nag-short yata dyan kasi pumasok yung tubig. So yan ang suspect ko, nag-short. At least yan, umaandar na siya. Ngayon kailangan na ma-figure out ko yan para hindi na ulit maulit. Pero kita nyo, maandar na siya. Okay guys, dito ko na tapusin yung vlog na to. See you next time. Bye.